Hello people, hello. Simon is speaking. Today I discovered the interesting option when you do texturing in application 3ds Max. I found the interesting option in UV Unwrap mapping. I wanted to show you in a minute. Because this option that you have to pay attention on. When you see closer, that polygon isn't sloped. We have got like auto slope polygon. Without it, I will show you how a UV unwrap modifier simulates texture. Open UV editor, and when I use planar mapping, and again when I use Flatten by smoothing group, something is not okay. I know how to fix it, because our texture is disconnected. If you want this texture to be connected, you can quickly fix that. Oh, I haven't selected my polygon. I've forgotten about something. Use option auto smooth. This will help UV modifier to simulate texture vector. You don't have to do from the beginning when you select from polygon selection to UV unwrap. Now we can select this option, flatten by smoothing group, and again if we hit this button, quick fill. This is what we wanted because our texture is simulated according to smoothing group. You can see how beautiful it goes. But I will have to get back to polygon selection. Why I added another UV image editor? I shouldn't do that. Upper wall. You can see how beautiful this looks. You can convert to polygon. We can do the same with this. Occluded. This option doesn't allow us to select invisible and polygons. I use option 0 and plus. Wait a minute, 5 plus. Plus 5 increases our brush, 0 minus decreases. Okay, I need only that size. But don't forget, because we don't want to unfold, we need this option instead. And this, and again this. So you use option flatten by smoothing group, then this option after that, afterwards. And this is what we need. If you look closer, this is how material covers polygon. It covers polygon. This is my toilet. I use the LEC. I use the data option to texture LSCM option. I don't know what shortcut means. But this option works best, but the data equals about flatten my smoothing group. Okay, I hope you like my video tutorial. In the past, I struggled using this UV image editor, but now I'm okay with that. I hope you like the video tutorial. See you, have a nice day, guys.